Hey, we're here at the back end of our website, and we're going to learn how to put pictures in an article. I already logged in. This is at the control panel. Remember, the first thing you do is you want to go up to click View Site. Opens up a new window. We can see the front end of the site. In the last lesson, we learned how to make text changes right here. But in this lesson, I want to teach you how to put a picture into your article. That's what we're doing. We're putting pictures into articles. So this is the front end of the site. To go to the back end of the site to be able to make that change, I'm going to click here where I was, and to make change to an article, you go to Article Manager. Article Manager is right here. Shortcut to the Article Manager is under Content, Article Manager. Clicking here and clicking here will get you to the same place. We want to make a change to the home page. Remember, the home page is right here. Click on Home. If we wanted to make a change to these other pages, we'd click here or here or here or here, anywhere we wanted to. But we want to make a change to the home page. So I'm going to click Home. It gets us to the back end. Here's the information on the home page article. We see it's the same right here. Now I want to put a picture in between the headline and the text. So to do that, I'm going to go to the back end. I'm back here. I'm going to put my cursor down right there. I'm going to give myself a little bit of room too. I put a space above and below. So to put a picture here, this is how you do it. You click on this image button. Click Image. This window will pop up. And these are all pictures that are on the website. These are already there. You can scroll down here and see other pictures as well. You even see pictures of buttons that are on the site. But I want to put a brand new picture in there, not one that we've already have. So to do that, what we're going to have to do is you need to make sure that the picture is already in your computer, and we're going to move the picture from your computer to this folder. To do that, we go down to click Browse, and that will open up a window that takes you directly to your computer. Now I know that the picture that I want to put in is in one of my drives. I'm going to go find that. And this is the picture that I want to put in. I know that this picture is going to be pretty big, but I'm going to put that picture into the sunset. So after I click Browse and it comes up, I'm going to click the Start Upload button right here. And that's going to upload that picture into this file. Right here is that picture. I'm going to click on this picture, and I'm going to click Insert, and it puts that picture right there. Picture of a pretty sunset. Now where this picture is big, remember what I told you, so we can actually change the size of that picture. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to drag it smaller. Drag it even smaller. There. That's about the size that I want to have it. And put that picture in. Now, let's go and take a look at the front end of our site. I'm going to click Save. It saves it on the back end. I'm going to come out to the front end. I'm going to click Reload. There's our picture. Pretty good. Now if I wanted it to go over here, I just go back to the back end and make that picture larger. Now, I want to teach you how to put a picture in and then put some text, like on this side over here. So we're going to go to the back end of the site again. And if you want to do a text wrap around your picture, I'll show you how to do that. And once you're using pictures, you can drag this larger. You see how I did that? I just clicked on the edge right there and dragged it larger. We'll make that picture smaller. And to do a text wrap around that picture, what I want to do is I want to select on the picture, and then I want to click this button right here. It's the Insert Edit Image button. I'm going to click on that button. A new window pops up. There's a lot of stuff here, but you only need to pay attention to a couple things. We want to make sure that this picture is aligned to the left. Or if you want to align to the right, you could do that too, or align to the center. Either way you wanted to do it, or top, middle, or bottom. Most of your pictures are going to be aligned to the left. Some might be aligned to the right. I'm going to align this to the left, and I'm going to put a margin around this picture. I'm going to uncheck the equal values. If I were to leave that checked, and I just put 10 right here, that stands for 10 pixels. It would put 10 pixel margin at the right, at the bottom, at the left, and also at the top. But in this case, I don't want to put a margin around the whole thing. I just want to put a margin around the right, at the top, and at the bottom. See this little picture up here? That kind of gives you an idea of where your margin is going to be. Watch what would happen if I put a margin at the left. That would move that picture this way. I'm going to do it. See that? Put a picture, moved it over to the left. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go back here and click that. You may want to, but for this one I don't want to. Once I get my margin in, I'm going to come down to the bottom, and I'm going to click Update. It's going to ask you a question here. Just click Yes. See what happened? It brought the text from down here to up here. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click Save. I'm going to go out to the front end and I'm going to click the Reload Refresh button and watch what happens. Remember, we made the picture a little smaller and the text is going to come up the side. There you go. And you can continue working on that picture to get everything aligned just the way you want to. Okay, sounds good. Now, here's something else. If you're done with what you're doing right here, you can go ahead and click Save and Close, and that will save your work, and it will take you back out to the control panel. Alright, sounds good. So that's how you put pictures in. Hey, take care, and God bless.